Welcome to another Mac tip by Brandon. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust energy savings on a MacBook on OS X. Energy savings allow you to change different parameters such as uh, things that can increase your battery life, how long it takes for your monitor to shut off, etc. So I'll show you where all those settings are. So if we click on the Spotlight Finder right here, we can type in energy saver. We'll click on that. Inside here, there's two different settings. So there's settings while you're running on battery, and there's settings while you're on a power adapter. So each one has essentially the same settings, but can just be set differently or independently depending on what type of situation you're in. On battery, you can say turn off the display after 1 minute up to never. So by default right here, I have 2 minutes. So that means after 2 minutes of being on battery power, the screen will turn itself off. That doesn't mean that the computer turns itself off. That just means that the screen is turned off. So it can, and the screen is one of the things that takes the most power on a laptop. So it can definitely increase your battery life while you're not at the computer or using it when the display is turned off. Put hard disk to sleep when possible. Tells the hard drive to spin down or to temporarily shut itself off when it's possible, which is always a good option just to have on by default. Slightly dim the display while on battery power. So if this is enabled, the screen will dim itself a little bit when it's on battery power. And again, having screen at full brightness while you're on battery power can decrease the battery life in general. Enable power nap while on battery. Power nap is a new feature that was introduced, I forget which version, but a little while ago. And power nap allows the computer, even while it's sleeping, to check for new email, calendar appointments, and other iCloud updates like new photos added or such too. So that power nap, when it is turned on, does use a minimal amount of power, but does use a little bit more power as well too. On this energy saver screen as well too, you have the current battery charge, which is the amount remaining on the current battery, as well as the estimated time remaining while on that battery charge. So again, that's at the current screen brightness you're on, as well as takes into consideration the battery charge that's available. And then you got show battery status and menu bar, which again shows up here. We can see that it's 69% full, which correlates with this as well too. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining us for another Mac tip, and hope to see you soon.